A common question our team is asked is, who else in my industry have you served? That's a great question, and why we encourage you to visit our website for specific information on how we serve each type of industry, taking into account unique field variables and best practices, as well as the individual needs of your company. Whether it's one location or if you need to be certain that there's brand consistency across all locations, Energywise Solutions will help you with your goals. For example, for a supermarket or retail location, we will focus on reducing the considerable costs associated with lighting without detracting from the customer experience. For a hospitality-focused business, such as a restaurant, hotel, or entertainment venue, we'll create a specific aesthetic for the space that can be replicated again and again, creating consistency while retaining that wow factor in each space. We also encourage you to contact us so we can provide you with references and testimonials pertinent to your specific industry and locality. Our reference list is long, and chances are we have worked with colleagues or peers of yours.